Radon Awareness Month. My name is Miss Darla, and with me today is Kristen from the St. Joe County Department of Health. So you might be asking yourself, what is radon? Kristen, can you explain it?
Absolutely, Darla. So radon is an odorless, colorless gas that naturally seeps in from the soil into your house. The issue is that it's the #1 cause for lung cancer among non-smokers. And also, 1 in 4 homes in St. Joe County have a high level of radon. So you can't see it, and it's causing problems.
So if you can't see it, you can't smell it, how do we even know that it's there? Well, we have a couple of experiments to show you that even though something is invisible, you can still prove that it's there. For this experiment, you'll need 3 pieces of string, a pencil, something to tape that pencil to, like a ruler, and 2 deflated balloons. First, take your piece of string and tape it to the table. Make sure that it is taut. Then, insert the pencil underneath the string, making sure the balloons and ruler are hanging off of the table side. Then, balance your balloons as much as possible. We can see here that these are a pretty similar weight. Next, you're going to inflate one of the balloons. Once you inflate it and put it back on the ruler, you can see that it is much heavier than the balloon with no air. This proves that air has weight, which means it has mass. There's another experiment that you can do as well to see that air is there. By using a bucket of water and a cup with a paper towel in it, you can see that the air is actually taking up space. Make sure you have enough water to completely submerge your cup. Take your glass and submerge it into the water in a straight downward motion. You can see there that some air bubbles came out, but that's okay. When we remove the glass, we can see that the paper towel inside is still dry. This is because the air in the cup was trapped and therefore formed a barrier between the paper towel and the water. It's so dry, I can even dry my hands with it. Wait, if this is an odorless, colorless gas, is this all throughout my house? Do I have to be worried about my upstairs rooms or like outside my house?
So the biggest risk is going to be in your basement. So if you have a basement game room, man cave, or even just hang out like in a bedroom downstairs, that's a high risk because you're sitting in that basement and that gas is heavy. So it hangs out on the inside of your basement. So if you spend a lot of time in your basement, make sure you test for radon or see if you have a radon remediation fan already. So you can't see it, you can't smell it, we know it's there, so what do we do about it? We test for it. So normally you need a remediation fan that sucks up that radon gas from the ground and spits it out the top of your house so it's not running through the basement. And we have these at-home test kits. We have 20 of them, and through our poster contest, the first 20 participants will be able to get this free at-home test kit, and it has these fun step-by-step instructions inside of the package so you know how to do it. And if you have issues with how to set it up, we'll have a link above for our YouTube video on how to set up your at-home test kit.
Oh! So I can potentially get a kit test for radon in my basement if I submit my poster to this email below.
Well, Miss Darla, you could get a test kit, but also if you're a grand prize winner, your poster design will be our advertisement for next year's Radon Awareness Poster Contest. So you get bragging rights and your creation gets posted all through the county. So you can't see it,
you can't smell it,
but you can sure fight it.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today, Kristen. We have loved having you here, and we look forward to all of your poster creations. And until next time,
bye!